So, is a robot coming to a snow-covered street near you? Can you now change your nail color just like they did in Total Recall? And will lollipops kill the radio star? If you didn't get that reference, Google it or just ask a grown-up, kids. All that and much, much more. We're going to be discussing tonight on a very special digital with digital gremlins included version of Inventor Friday. I'm Don Skaggs, your host, chief cook, and bottle washer. And before we get started tonight, I do want to share my screen and get. We've had just nothing but gremlins tonight, folks. I want to talk about our. I don't want to talk about that yet. I want to talk about our sponsor. Our sponsor tonight is Kinetic Business. If you are not on the internet with your product or your business's presence in the 21st century, it's like not having your name in the phone book in the 20th. Kinetic Business has been so kind to us as to provide us with 1 gig internet in our building, where we usually broadcast these from live. But it's a great place to check out. You definitely want to check that out. I think they have a sale going on right now. 1 gig fiber is just $109.97 a month. So check them out. Kinetic Business, a great sponsor of ours, and we really, really appreciate them helping us out. Also, in case you have been living under a rock for the last week or so, we've had a new announcement. We've had a name change. We are now called the Acture Network, formerly known as the Inventors Network Kentucky. We found that the new name really fits our mission now, because we're not just Kentucky and we're not just inventors anymore. So that's our new name. If you go to acturenetwork.org, acturenetwork.org, you will go directly to this page and watch for some changes. We're going to have quite a few coming. So check all that out. We've got a lot of things, memberships. We've got replays if you want to see a replay. We've got new programs we're going to be rolling out. So you definitely want to stay tuned. Sign up for alerts, text alerts, email alerts, and we will keep you informed as to what's rolling out. And you don't want to miss it, because we got some really exciting stuff that's going to be coming up very, very soon. With me tonight, we have some really special guests. Normally, they're guests that are here with us live in the building. Tonight, we have the opportunity